Alright YouTubers, I'm almost done with my gas tank dent repair and right side body panel touch-up paint job. I'm going to put one more coat of clear coat on, which is what ColorRite recommends. If you read their instructions, they recommend 2 coats of paint, and for the 1 stage colors, 2 coats of clear coat with a 15 to 20 minute drying time in between the coats. So it's been a little bit over 20 minutes. I put some paper and tape in the area that isn't being clear coated because I was trying to be careful. I thought I was going to be very careful, and I ended up getting a couple of drops on the body, which I had to clean up, and it would have been better if I didn't have to clean it up. So that's why I decided to put some paper down and some tape. So you can see what I'm doing here. This cover's kind of falling apart on me. This is a really aggressive clear coat material. So now I'm trying to apply a second coat of clear with one hand. Be nice if I had 2 hands, but since I'm using my cell phone, that's not going to be possible here. Taping and painting at the same time. Videotaping, that is. Sorry about the poor quality. Hopefully you get a good idea of what I'm doing. Anyways. And I think that might be pretty much it. It is nice, even though I haven't had any spills, by having this paper here, I am able to go a little faster, and I'm not worried about spills. And it's funny how that works. When you don't worry about it, sometimes nothing happens. When you think about it, it's when the bad stuff happens. So folks, I think that's it. I'm gonna kind of show you. The bike's dirty. It needs to be cleaned up. So it's not really representative of the final product. But what I'm gonna do now is just so you can get an idea of the total job. And it's not perfect. But then again, I'm not in a spray booth. I don't have a spray gun. And so this is more or less the job. This is kind of very close to the final job. All I need to do is clean it up a little bit, let it dry, let it cure. And this part of my maintenance for my motorcycle this year, before the riding season starts, at least is done. It's not perfect, but it's not as big an eyesore as it was before doing this tank dent repair and right side body panel touch-up paint job. This is kind of like the final product. And now I'm going to show you. I am going to show you, hopefully without much ado. Yes. This is more or less what the bike, and I hope you can see that. I'm trying to get the fluorescent tube lighting out of the picture, but it's a little bit hard to see with the reflections. I'm going to try to go in closer. But this was the body panel, damage, scratched up damage. Oh yeah, just with the phone, hopefully you can see that. I can see it really nicely. The dent on the gas tank. It's a pretty nice little dent. And so that's kind of like the before and the after. So hopefully you found this my videos on this process helpful, and I hope that you can like this one and all of the ones that you've possibly seen, and that you maybe use for your own project. I guess the last thing that I'm gonna say is, if you read the instructions and reread the instructions and reread the instructions and follow them carefully, I think that helps to that will help you to have a successful job, fairly successful. You know, let's also keep in mind the level of experience, expertise, and tools. Let's not get over, don't have too high of expectations with the materials and experience that you have. So again, if you liked the video, if you found this information helpful, please like it. Thank you.